Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2021 Volvo XC90 T6 Inscription. This vehicle has a 2-liter turbocharged and supercharged 4-cylinder with 316 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. It also has an 8-speed automatic transmission. Pretty standard Volvo interior in here. This is the XC90's interior for ever since this current outgoing generation came out. It's pretty nice. You have these nice comfortable seats. The Inscription has really nice materials, very plush perforated leather. You also have side bolster, lumbar, and cushion extension, as you can see right there, using this little toggle on the right side of the left side of the seat. You have heated seats, ventilated seats, and heated steering wheel. And here's your 360-degree camera system, as well as normal camera system, which is always nice to have. You have the Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle. But let's walk around this XC90. Nice black exterior. You have good looking wheels with Michelin tires. I'm pretty sure that's what it came with brand new as well. Or Pirelli's. And here are the rear seats. You can have a bench, or I believe you can remove that middle seat and have captain's chairs. And you have sunshades too. Pretty comfortable back here. And you have a panoramic sunroof, as you can see. You also have a third row with 2 seats in the back. You also have heated rear seats. Yeah, the seats are really comfortable in there. You have a T6 all-wheel drive badge. And here's the trunk. You have dual outlet exhaust. The newer Volvos don't really have exposed exhaust like that. I wish that they still did, because I like exposed exhaust. I don't like when cars have hidden exhaust. It doesn't look good to me. It makes the car look bland and boring. But when it has exhaust, at least it gives it a little bit more character on the exterior of the vehicle, at the least, right? And one thing I like about this, it has this drive mode selector that Volvos don't have anymore, which also sucks. I really wish Volvo kept this drive mode selector. I really like it. You have eco, comfort, dynamic, and off-road modes. But yeah, now in the newer Volvos, in order to change your modes, you have to go to the settings in the screen and then change the modes there, but you can't easily access it. And I like this little dial. It just feels good. It looks cool too. And this infotainment system and gauge clusters before Volvo went to the Android system, which is a lot better than this, because this gauge cluster is a little bit laggy. I mean, it does the job, but after Volvo switched to the Google powered system, it became way better, way faster, responsiveness in the screen and the gauge cluster, and it just looks a lot better, because this just looks really outdated. And I'm finding it interesting how it's turbocharged and supercharged. That's quite an interesting setup for sure. That's the T6, and then the T8 is also like a hybrid as well. So it's turbocharged, supercharged, and it's a hybrid. So it's a lot of things going on there. Acceleration's okay. It's smooth, but it's not the fastest. I was expecting a little bit more because it's turbocharged and supercharged, but yeah. Obviously the T8 will give you a lot more performance than the T6 will, because the T8 has like 470 horsepower or something like that. You can definitely hear that. You can hear that supercharger. You can hear the whine. You have a head-up display as well. Forgot to mention that. The ride is smooth. I mean, it's an XC90. XC90s are very comfortable to drive. The point of an XC90 is for luxury and comfort, and it definitely provides that. Also, as I said, the seats are really comfortable. I feel my legs feel very well cushioned on the sides. Like, the bolstering is really nice. My back feels good, but like what feels the most comfortable for me right now is like how my legs are like kind of coddled by the exterior of the seats, of the bottom cushion, which is nice. It'll help hold you better in place. This is foot to the floor acceleration. And you have a wireless charging tray that my phone is on right there, but it is really, really small. It's kind of hard to actually fit a bigger phone there because like it's like this big. I don't think it's even working because like you can't even fit a phone on there. I don't know what the point is having a wireless charger if you can barely fit anything. You can fit like an iPod on it. And it's also not the best place to put a wireless charger because the phone just flops around the whole time, right next to the cup holder. Or in front of it. It doesn't make any sense. I think that wireless charger definitely feels like an afterthought and is very disappointing to see. But I mean, overall this drive is very smooth, very comfortable car. Interior feels pretty good. And obviously XC90s are known for their amazing safety, as well as all Volvos. It's one of the safest, or it's probably the safest SUV you can be in the car market. So this is definitely a great car to put your family in, as you can be rest assured that you're in the safest SUV that you can possibly be in while you're on the road. But overall, nice XC90. Thank you for watching another video of Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Volvo in the description below if you'd like to shop for new and pre-owned Volvos and other nice vehicles.